Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My name and where and your position?
Thank you. Hello, my name is Søren Kiel. I'm the head of the Data Economy program at the GIZ, and we're excited to be here as the data governance in Africa Team Action supports the development of the national data strategy in Ghana. So it's really exciting to see that we work closely with the Data Protection Commission, the Ministry of ICT, but also Smart Africa, and not to forget Data Pop Alliance to develop this data strategy. So for us, data is the new oxygen for development. What do we mean by that? Data can enable innovations, can provide new jobs for young people, but also support decision making, better decision making for policymakers. So in a sense, opening data, at the same time protecting data is critical for sustainable development. So really excited that tomorrow data policy will be presented here at the high level, and it has four components. The first one is data regulations, so the enabling environment, how do we deal with data, and how can the government really provide games, the rules of the game for the data economy. The second is on data infrastructure. So how can sustainable data infrastructure be developed, and also for the benefits of businesses and people in Ghana. The third one is how do you incentivize the use of data applications across sectors. So in agriculture, in health, in education, for instance. How can data become an engine for bettering the lives of citizens? And the fourth, also essential, is data capacities. So we talk a lot about data, but how can we strengthen the capacity of policymakers and citizens and business to make use of data? So please join us tomorrow. We have the workshop here in Accra. We're very excited, and it's a great honor to work with all of you on the national data strategy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So,